CG Crew, welcome back to the channel. It's I, Tamala, and
Double C.
And we are back today with another video. So today's our son's birthday, so we're gonna do a little running around to get everything situated for his day. We're gonna go to Walmart to pick up a cake and a few other places. So thank you all for your support and catch you in a bit. Heading inside of Wally World. While I'm here, I might as well just pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Baby, you get that one back there?
Man, what?
Because I need it. Thank you. He ain't want to bend down. Who else is going to bend down if he ain't bend down? Alright, CG Crew. Of course, music is playing, so I'm gonna put music over this video. Y'all, so we just have a bunch of stuff like clothes and shoes for our little weekend staycation and some waters. And I just got these for when I need them.
Oh, we could have been to Burlington to about some of the events.
Okay, so do you want?
What is up to you?
No, let's just get that. And we didn't even get that much groceries. We got some juice, soda, chips, water, and clothes and stuff. And you want to pass that, right? When you're waiting to get gas and you see somebody,
They should go with that.
look at this. So Walmart didn't have a cake decorator, so we're here at Publix about to get a cake. And some chicken and some ice cream and whatever else we pick up and put in the buggy. And we got the chicken, cookies, and some Duke's mayo, buy one, get one free.
I didn't realize
like
all the
Publix
same people he worked with down
Yo.
there. Just,
You know it's been good. You know that's all right. It's been good.
go.
They got pillows up to this piece.
Oh yeah, they have. We're in the Dollar Tree Plus, and they have some new stuff that they didn't have. See the pillows. Oh shit! My phone is going dead, so.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Let's
Oh,
get
they got a
what
desk fan.
let's get what we need to get.
They got a desk fan.
Okay, I know that. I know everything they have in here.
Do you?
I do.
Oh, they got the washing detergent. Oh, don't get.
Can you please stop?
Give me
If you want.
Okay. Some LeBrons. My ratings are-
You didn't open. You didn't open up your cards.
Yes, sir! I know he's just cool. What was that?
Happy birthday to you, little C. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little C. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish. Where you going, Cox? Sit down. Turn the light on, babe.
That's what you said? You gonna throw the water on me?
I don't know how to cut it.
Just cut it. Just cut it.
Did you fill it up?
Don't cut your hand.
Thank you.
I know how to cut.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
What, babe? Maybe water from the soda?
Probably.
You gotta cut it across.
Why are you teaching computers teach me if it was my birthday?
Because you already a cutter. You say you know how to cut. Okay, good job. Oh, hold on. Wait. You're gonna... Oh, you're giving your sister the first piece.
How do you do this? I
Put it under there.
I didn't get the first piece.
And
Yeah, my brain.
lift it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's mine.
No, he wanted to give it a move.
Special. It's special.
Oh, wait.